In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to type Sinhala Unicode font in Adobe Photoshop using Google Input Tool alternatives, and more specifically using the Windows Time and Language keyboard method, which is the most reliable way to type Sinhala on modern versions of Windows. If you've tried using Google Input Tools before, you might have noticed that the desktop version is no longer actively maintained by Google, and because of that, it may not work properly on newer systems. The good news is that Windows already includes built-in Sinhala keyboard support, and once it's enabled, you can type Sinhala Unicode text directly inside Photoshop without any extra software. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so you can set this up in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is enable the Sinhala language keyboard in Windows. To do this, open your Windows settings. You can click the Start menu and then click on Settings, or simply press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open it quickly. Inside the Settings window, look for the section called Time and Language and click on it. After that, select Language and Region. This area allows you to install additional languages and keyboards on your computer. Now find the button that says Add a Language and click it. A search box will appear where you can type the language you want to install. Type Sinhala into the search field, and you should see Sinhala Sri Lanka appear in the results. Click on Sinhala and then proceed with the installation. Windows will now install the Sinhala language pack and keyboard layout on your computer. This usually takes only a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, your computer now supports Sinhala typing. The next step is learning how to switch between keyboards easily while working. Windows makes this very simple with a keyboard shortcut. Anytime you want to change the typing language, just press the Windows key together with the spacebar. A small language switcher will appear showing all the keyboards installed on your system. From this list, select Sinhala when you want to type in Sinhala, and switch back to English whenever needed. This is especially useful when working in design software like Photoshop, where you may need to mix English and Sinhala text in the same project. Now that the keyboard is ready, let's open Adobe Photoshop and make sure it supports South Asian text properly. Some Photoshop installations use a default text engine that doesn't fully support certain complex scripts, including Sinhala. To fix this, go to the top menu and click Edit, then choose Preferences and then click on Type. Inside the Type Preferences window, look for the option called Text Engine Options. Change the setting to Middle Eastern and South Asian. This tells Photoshop to properly render languages that require advanced character shaping, like Sinhala. After changing this setting, Photoshop will ask you to restart the application. Close Photoshop and open it again so the new text engine becomes active. Once Photoshop restarts, we're ready to type Sinhala text. Select the Type tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen and click anywhere on your canvas to create a text layer. Before typing, choose a Sinhala Unicode font so the characters display correctly. Some excellent options include Noto Sans Sinhala, Noto Serif Sinhala, and the classic Iskoola Pota font, which is included with many Windows systems. These fonts fully support Sinhala Unicode characters and work perfectly inside Photoshop. After selecting your font, press Windows plus spacebar and switch your keyboard to Sinhala. Now start typing directly inside the Photoshop text box. You'll notice that each key on the keyboard corresponds to a Sinhala character based on the Sinhala keyboard layout. As you type, Photoshop will display the Sinhala Unicode text correctly using the font you selected. This allows you to design posters, thumbnails, banners, and social media graphics using Sinhala text without needing any external typing software. And that's basically it. By enabling the Sinhala keyboard in Windows Time and Language settings and activating the Middle Eastern and South Asian text engine in Photoshop, you can easily type Sinhala Unicode text directly inside Adobe Photoshop. It's simple, reliable, and works much better than relying on outdated tools like Google Input Tools. If this video helped you learn something new, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.